Mia and Tom were best friends. They did everything together. They played, they laughed, and they argued. A lot. One sunny afternoon, they sat on their favorite bench under the big oak tree, arms folded tight, cheeks puffed out, not saying a single word to each other. Then, something caught their eye. Up in the oak tree above them, a little robin was flapping her wings in a panic, and there on the grass, right between them, was a small broken nest with 2 tiny eggs lying all alone. Their grumpy faces melted away in an instant. This was no time for arguing. Mia knew exactly what to do. She knelt down on the soft grass and began carefully weaving the nest back together, one blade of grass at a time, her little fingers working with all the gentleness she had. Tom stood beside her, hand shading his eyes, looking up at the tall oak tree. The branch was so high, far too high for either of them to reach alone. Then his eyes went wide. He had an idea. "Dad is home!" shouted Tom. And just like that, the 2 friends forgot all about their argument. They ran together across the garden, laughing and calling out, while Robin flew above them as if she was cheering them on. The nest and those 2 precious little eggs were waiting for them to come back with help. Tom's dad heard them coming from far away. He crouched down at the garden gate with a warm smile as both children rushed toward him, both talking at once, both pointing at the tree, both with the most serious little faces he had ever seen. He listened carefully to every single word. Then he looked up at the oak tree and nodded. "Right," he said gently. "Let's go help that little bird." Tom held up the nest, eyes shining with excitement, showing his dad exactly what needed to go back up into the tree. Mia stood close beside them, her face full of hope and trust. Tom's dad took one careful look at the nest, then at the branch above, and smiled his big, warm smile. Together, the 3 of them had everything they needed. Tom's dad climbed the oak tree, strong and steady, one branch at a time. Below him, Mia held the nest up as high as she could, with both hands, as carefully as if she were holding the most precious thing in the whole world. Tom stood right beside her, one hand gently supporting the nest, his eyes following his dad all the way up, and Robin, their little Robin, hovered close by, watching, waiting, her wings beating with hope. Slowly, gently, Dad placed the nest back into its spot. Safe, secure, home. Tom's dad put one arm around Mia and one arm around Tom, and the 3 of them stood together under the old oak tree as a beautiful butterfly drifted softly past in the golden light. They didn't need to say very much at all. They just looked at each other and smiled. Because sometimes the best feeling in the world is knowing that you helped someone who really needed you. And when 2 friends stop arguing and start working together and ask for help when they need it, wonderful things happen. When something feels too big to do alone, the bravest thing you can do is ask for help. And when friends work together, with kindness in their hearts, they can do the most wonderful things. So tell me, little friend, is there someone you could help today?
See you next time.